This is our Met Fab 13-foot Rebel press brake. We love this press brake as it allows us to maintain consistency in our production and also prototype on the fly. On install day, it was a complete breeze to get this machine in. The flatbed truck was here waiting with the press brake on. We also had a crane to lift the press brake off of the flatbed truck and onto machinery skates. We rolled it into place, got it off the skates, and leveled the machine. After we leveled the machine, we worked on hooking the electrical up to electrical panel. We put hydraulic oil up in the tank, and off we go. Now that our system is booted up, the startup process is very simple. We press the start button to activate the machine. The next step in our startup procedure is a two-step process for the brake. There's a safety laser here, and it double checks that there are no obstructions in the brake. In order to start our safety obstruction check, we push on the pedal. The brake comes down part way and returns to its home position. We press it again, comes to its second position, and returns to home. Now the brake is ready for bending. When we're finished bending at the end of the day, the shutdown procedure is super easy. We insert the die and a punch at either end of our press brake. We set our y-axis at 8 inches. We also set our tonnage at 1 ton. This allows for the press brake to rest on the bottom of the casting and takes all the pressure off the hydraulics. Overall, installation was super easy of this machine, from unloading from the truck, rolling in place, leveling, electrical and hydraulic fluid. We were up and running in under 6 hours.
I was super impressed at how quickly the MetFab press brake was set up. Within just a few hours, the machine was leveled, dialed in, and ready to go. I noticed right away that this press brake is a lot quieter than other press brakes on the market, and it has a really nice fit and finish. All the componentry fits really nice, and it looks great in the shop.
Hauk Design's reputation precedes itself in the industry of building off-road vehicles and custom-made trucks. And we're super excited to be teaming up with Hauk Designs in order to gain exposure for the MetFab equipment in the rest of North America.